If you've ever had the privilege of owning a Velcro dog, you know just how special and unique they are. These dogs are the embodiment of loyalty, affection, and devotion. Their greatest joy in life is simply being by your side, and their deepest desire is to feel your love and affection. Unlike independent dogs that happily spend hours on their own, the Velcro dog thrives in close companionship. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, relaxing on the couch, or simply walking from one room to another, a Velcro dog will be right there, like your living, breathing shadow. They don't need extravagant activities or constant stimulation. What they want most is you, your presence, your affection, and your companionship. For many people, the intimacy of a Velcro dog is precisely what makes them the perfect pet. These dogs aren't just animals, they're confidants, comforters, and lifelong friends who form an unshakable bond with their human family. So what makes a Velcro dog so unique? There's more to a Velcro dog than just a love of being close. Here are some defining characteristics that make these dogs so remarkable. Number 1, unwavering devotion. A Velcro dog's loyalty is unmatched. They don't just like being around you, they need it. Whether you're having the best day or the worst, they'll be there to share it with you. Number 2, physical closeness. Velcro dogs crave physical contact. They're the ones nudging your hand for a pet, curling up at your feet while you work, or leaning against you when you sit down. They're happiest when they can feel your touch, even if it's just the brush of your fingers across their fur. Number 3, emotional intuition. One of the most striking traits of a Velcro dog is their ability to sense your emotion. Are you feeling sad? They'll quietly sit by your side, offering their presence as comfort. Are you excited? They'll mirror your energy, wagging their tail and joining in your joy. Number 4, calm and steady nature. Velcro dogs aren't typically high-energy, hyperactive companions. They excel at providing calm, soothing companionship. Their mere presence has a grounding effect, making them ideal for families, individuals, and even those who need emotional support. Number 5, a desire to please. These dogs live for your approval. They love to know they've made you happy, and even a simple good dog or a loving pat on the head can light up their world. When it comes to Velcro dogs, few breeds embody this description better than the American Direwolf dog, a unique and remarkable breed developed through the Direwolf Project. These dogs aren't just companions, they're soulmates. From the moment you bring an American Direwolf puppy into your home, you'll notice their natural inclination to bond deeply with their people. This isn't a dog that's content with being an outdoor pet, or left to entertain themselves all day. The American Direwolf dog thrives on connection, both physical and emotional, with their human family. Here's why the American Direwolf makes such an exceptional Velcro dog. Number 1, calm and gentle nature. American Direst puppies are born with a naturally calm disposition. They aren't hyperactive or overly excitable, making them perfect for families or individuals who value peace and quiet. This calm demeanor allows them to focus their energy on forming a meaningful bond with their human companions. Number 2, sensitivity and emotional awareness. Like all Velcro dogs, the American Direst dog is deeply intuitive. They can sense when you're stressed, sad, or simply in need of a little extra love, and they'll respond with quiet, steady support. Whether it's a nuzzle, a wagging tail, or just lying by your feet, their actions speak volumes about their devotion to you. Number 3, love for physical affection. American Direst dogs are true cuddle enthusiasts. They adore being touched, petted, and stroked, and they'll happily soak up as much affection as you're willing to give. But their love for closeness doesn't stop there. They also enjoy sitting quietly beside you, leaning in as if to say, "I'm here, I'll always be here." Number 4, submissive and trusting. This breed's calm and submissive nature makes them particularly easy to build trust with. They aren't prone to dominating their human companions or testing boundaries. Instead, they thrive on structure, rules, and the assurance that their human is a loving leader. This makes them eager to please and deeply bonded to their family. Number 5, a breed built for companionship. The Direwolf Project has spent years developing the American Direst dog with a focus on temperament. These dogs were never bred for herding livestock, hunting, or guarding property. They were bred to be the ultimate companion animal. Their sensitive, loyal, and intuitive nature reflects this purpose beautifully. Thank you for joining us today. It was great to have you with us. Like and subscribe, and then head on over to direwolfproject.com for your free gift and to sign up to our daily email newsletter, the only place where you can get daily regular updates about our litters and everything going on at the Direwolf Project. Have a great day. Bye-bye.